Good evening, everyone. First, I'd like to thank Dr. Richard Sanchez for this opportunity to serve our beloved ETCOR. I also want to extend a heartfelt thanks, and I'd like to congratulate our team, starting from our moderator and event chairperson, Sir Glenn B. Millar, our co-chairperson, Dr. Mark Joseph Santos, our lecturer, Dr. Imelda Flores, for successfully gracing this event. Congratulations also to the presenters, for each presentation reflected a deep understanding of your subject, of your passion for research, and a commitment to excellence. As we conclude today's event, it's essential to recognize the significant role that a robust research culture and effective data analysis play in advancing knowledge across fields. Embracing tools like SPSS empowers researchers to transform raw data into meaningful insights, driving evidence-based decision-making and fostering innovation. By integrating software like SPSS into our data analysis practices, we harness a platform that facilitates rigorous statistical testing, enhances data transparency, and promotes replicability, which are all essential for credible research. Let us continue to champion this culture, investing in the skills, tools, and collaborative spirit that bring data-driven insights to life and ultimately contribute to the development of sound, impactful research that can make a positive difference in our communities and beyond. May your evening be a restful close, and may tomorrow bring new energy and fresh ideas for all the work ahead. God bless everyone.